Welcome to Section 5, Lecture 4, LED Monitors. Exploring LED monitors. An LED monitor is a flat panel computer or television screen that uses LEDs, light emitting diodes, to backlight pixels. The actual difference between this and a typical LCD, liquid crystal display monitor, is the backlighting. The first LCD monitors used CCFL instead of LEDs to illuminate the screen. Any further knowledge of LCD monitors is not a part of this course, as LCD monitors are barely used anymore. Advantages of LED monitors. LED monitors offer many benefits when compared to those that are CCFL lit, including often less expensive, they run at a lower temperature and consume much less power, longer lifespan and durability, less environmental impact. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.